If you live in a beautiful property with a balcony but without a rooftop, you might want to watch this video. Hello, today we want to feature to you, we have installed this pergola system in this beautiful project. Imagine you have this beautiful rooftop balcony, but it doesn't come with a roof that you can't enjoy it during there is rain. This pergola system is definitely from you. This pergola system is able to provide you with the shade when it's hot and block the rain when it's raining. Our unique pergola system enables you to withdraw and open it up as and when you need it. This product is designed for houses that doesn't come with a shelter. And on top of that, if you don't want like a fixed rooftop, this is perfect for you because you can open it when you need it and you can close it when you want it. Most inter-terraces or even penthouses doesn't come with a rooftop, and this is why this pergola system is so necessary, because it is the perfect climate control. What I mean is this, it's able to shade you from the sun and even covers you when it rains. It's very durable and will not flap like the traditional awning. And it is specially designed and manufactured for Singapore weather. Another smart feature is you can set a timer on when to open it and even when to close it. This pergola is able to close by itself when it rains. Thank you for watching this. We'll see you in our next video.